Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a movie project and importing your footage so Imovie can manage files. Start a new movie, then drag clips from Finder or use Import Media. This keeps originals safe while Imovie creates optimized copies. Once clips are in the library, skim and mark favorites or splits to speed editing. Make sure to set your aspect ratio early. 16:9 is standard because it affects crop behavior later. These first steps get everything organized and prevent rework. Now you assemble the story. Lay primary clips on the timeline and trim with the trim handles or the range tool for precise cut points. Use detach audio when you need separate sound edits and apply stabilization or color balance to fix shaky or off-tone shots. Add B-roll on upper tracks for visual interest, then insert transitions sparingly to maintain rhythm. Once done, adjust clip speed for pacing and smooth audio levels so dialogue remains clear and consistent. To finish, choose Share File and select Resolution, Quality, and Format. Higher resolution preserves detail but increases file size. Click Next, name the file, and export. This creates a standalone movie you can upload or archive. If export stalls, first free disk space and restart Imovie. Corrupted cache or low storage are common causes. Make sure Mac OS and Imovie are up to date, and try exporting a short clip to isolate the issue before re-exporting the full project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.